So I saw this comment from a guy worried because his knees make noise when he squats. Mine do the same thing from bodyweight squats all the way to heavy sets. It's called crepitus and it's not really anything to worry about. It doesn't seem to be a risk factor for pain. Oftentimes it's just joint fluid moving or something along those lines. I have talked about how mindset can worsen injuries and pain independently of any actual tissue damage. It's actually been shown this is the case with crepitus as well. So to avoid these negative consequences, we should just trust in the data showing it's not a risk factor for pain and not let it impede how we actually move.